Hey guys, welcome back. So this weekend, I TikToked and I couldn't stop. So now we're making that baked feta, but it looks really, really good. So I'm super excited to make this. Let's go over these really delicious ingredients. Fresh basil, garlic, cherry or grape tomatoes, your favorite pasta, feta cheese, olive oil, salt, pepper, oregano, and crushed red pepper. Okay, so now that you have these ingredients, let's grab a dish and let's start baking. All right, so let's begin by adding 20 ounces of grape tomatoes. TikTok said to use cherry, but TikTok can't tell me what to do. Add 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper, and between 3 to 4 garlic cloves. I like to mince mine. Next, I'll be adding some salt and pepper just for some flavor. Go ahead with the spoon and blend everything together. Oh, a little more salt and pepper won't hurt. And now for that delicious feta cheese. I'll be dropping in 7 ounces right in the center. Drizzle a little olive oil, salt, pepper, oregano, and some chili pepper flavor on top. Okay, so now that we've got it all seasoned, this smells so good. I cannot wait. Let's start baking this. We're gonna bake it in the oven at 400 for 35 minutes. So once you're halfway through baking, now would be the time to boil your 10 ounces of pasta. All right, once you remove from the oven, go ahead with the spoon and start mashing your tomatoes and your cheese, and then we'll be dropping in our pasta, and go ahead and just blend everything together. All right, next, go ahead and grab a handful of that fresh basil and chop it up real good and just toss it in. All right, once you're ready to serve on your plate, go ahead and top it off with some fresh Parmesan cheese, and I always like to add a little more basil for flavor and color. Okay, so you guys, this looks great. I'm so excited. TikTok, I hope you didn't fail me on this. Let's give it a try. I'm so excited. Looks great. Smells good. Wow, I am very much surprised. This is really, really good, you guys. You're gonna have to give this a try. Also, if you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also check out my social media, The Jen and Gina Show. Stay tuned for my next video, and I'll see you guys soon. Okay guys, so if you enjoyed this recipe and you want to keep cooking, go ahead and click the button right here with Jen. If you want to start drinking, go see my girl Gina and click the button here. If you haven't yet already subscribed, that's okay, just click the button right here. See you guys soon.